To record the screen on Poco F8 UItra, start by opening the quick settings panel from the right upper corner like that, and you have to search for this icon. You have to click on it once, and now before you start recording, I will highly recommend you to take a look for the settings, because you can actually customize resolution, video quality, sound source, the frame rate. So for example, if you want to record your screen at the highest possible quality, select 90 frames per second, video quality set for 100, and the resolution also for this the highest option. And here you can also select the sound source like microphone, the microphone or the system sounds, or only system sounds, or you can, for example, completely don't record any sounds. You can also record both of them. And now when you want to start recording, you have to click on this blue button. And now as you can see, when you open the notification screen, we can find this information that we are currently recording the screen. So now we can just record everything. And when you click here, you can just finish this records. When you click on this icon, you will be redirected into all of your screen records.